For dinner at home, place a plate in front of each person. Place your fork to the left of your plate and your knife to the right with the blade facing towards the plate, and your spoon beside the knife. Your glass should be in the upper right corner, and you can place your napkin beside your fork. For a more formal place setting, start with your informal place setting and then add a salad bowl onto your plate. Add a salad fork to the outside of your dinner fork and place a bread plate on the upper left corner. To help remember which sides your drink and your bread go on, make OK signs with both your hands. The hand that looks like a lowercase d stands for drink and is your right side. The hand that looks like a lowercase b is for bread, and that's where your bread plate should be.